Have you ever wondered why Uganda, a landlocked country in East Africa, is often referred to as the Pearl of Africa? Nestled within the heart of the continent, Uganda is a radiant beacon of natural beauty, a treasure trove of rich cultural heritage, and a testament to the wild, untamed spirit of Africa. This nation, marked by its vibrant landscapes and diverse wildlife, is known fondly as the Pearl of Africa. But who coined this nickname and why? The credit goes to none other than Sir Winston Churchill, the British statesman who, upon visiting Uganda, was so moved by its unique splendor that he called it the Pearl of Africa. He was captivated by the sheer magnificence that Uganda offered, a unique combination of Africa's major ecosystems. It was a sight, he declared, that would forever be etched in his mind. In Uganda, you'll find the savannas of East Africa, the rainforests of West Africa, and the semi-deserts of North Africa. This medley of ecosystems is the perfect stage for an array of wildlife to thrive. From the playful antics of chimpanzees in the wild to the majestic strides of the African elephant, Uganda is a wildlife enthusiast paradise. But the nation's allure extends beyond its natural wonders. The cultural heritage of Uganda, as diverse as its landscapes, adds to the country's charm. With over 50 distinct ethnic groups, each with its own language, traditions, and customs, Uganda is a vibrant mosaic of cultural experiences waiting to be explored. And let's not forget the people. Ugandans are renowned for their warmth and hospitality, their smiles as radiant as the equatorial sun under which they live. They are the heart and soul of this nation, the living embodiment of the spirit of Africa. So, you see, Uganda, in all its glory, is indeed a pearl, a gem that continues to shine in the heart of Africa. Its majestic landscapes, diverse wildlife, rich cultural heritage, and warm-hearted people make it a place like no other. Now, doesn't that make you want to explore more about this African gem? Let us navigate the world's longest river, the Nile, starting with its source, the Victoria Nile in Uganda. Are you in for excitement and a dose of adrenaline rush? If yes, then the Victoria Nile is your playground. Experience the exhilaration of whitewater rafting in its turbulent rapids. A unique journey through a thriving ecosystem where the untouched beauty of nature reigns supreme. But the Victoria Nile isn't just about thrills. The more tranquil sections of the river offer leisurely boat rides for those seeking serenity. Indulge in the calm of the placid waters and observe the diverse wildlife that resides along the riverbanks. From the playful baboons in the trees to the herds of elephants quenching their thirst, it is a sanctuary for wildlife lovers. And, keeping the suspense alive are the Nile crocodiles, known for their stealthy presence, adding an element of wild fascination. As for the bird lovers, the Victoria Nile is an aviary. With over 300 species of birds, including the majestic African fish eagle and the vibrant kingfisher, it is a delight to the eyes and a haven for bird watchers. The Victoria Nile thus stands as a testament to Uganda's bountiful nature. It is a place brimming with life and adventure. Every passing moment here is a celebration of the vitality of the Nile, the river that breathes life. Come, traverse the mighty Victoria Nile, witness the wonders of Uganda's natural heritage and be captivated by its grandeur. What if you could come face to face with the majestic mountain gorillas in their natural habitat? Well, in Uganda you can. Nestled in the southwestern corner of Uganda, the Bwindi Impenetrable National Park is a sanctuary for these incredible creatures. A lush, diverse forest, Bwindi is a world-renowned biodiversity hotspot and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This verdant expanse of jungle is home to half of the world's population of mountain gorillas. That's right, about 400 of the approximately 800 mountain gorillas left in the wild. And here's a fun fact for you. Uganda is one of only 3 countries where you can visit these endangered creatures in their natural setting. The other 2 are Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Visiting Bwindi isn't just about seeing gorillas though, it's about experiencing them. It's about gorilla trekking. This unique adventure leads you through dense foliage, past cascading waterfalls and underneath towering trees. It's a journey into the heart of the jungle, guided by expert rangers who know the forest like the back of their hand. Imagine this. You're walking through the forest, the air is fresh, and you can hear the sounds of the jungle around you. Suddenly, there's a rustling in the trees, and there they are, a family of mountain gorillas, going about their day. You watch in awe as they interact, play, and forage. It's an intimate, humbling experience that brings you closer to the natural world in a way few other encounters can. But remember, these are wild animals, and it's important to respect their space. Keep a safe distance, remain quiet, and avoid direct eye contact. These guidelines ensure the gorillas can continue their daily routines undisturbed, and you can enjoy your visit without causing them any stress. So, are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey into the heart of Uganda, into the realm of the mountain gorillas? A meeting with these gentle giants is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Ever imagined a place where over 50 different indigenous languages are spoken? Welcome to Uganda, a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and languages. Each of the more than 50 ethnic groups in this East African nation has its own unique set of customs, traditions, and language, contributing to the rich cultural tapestry of Uganda. Let's dive into the rhythm of Uganda, a place where music and dance are not merely forms of entertainment, but integral parts of life. From the rhythmic drum beats of the Baganda people to the vibrant traditional dances of the Acholi, Uganda's diverse music scene is a testament to its cultural richness. In Uganda, every festival is a vibrant spectacle of color, music, dance, and food. Take the Imbalu circumcision ceremony of the Bagasu people, a rite of passage into manhood, or the Mpango celebration of the Toro Kingdom, marking the coronation of the king. These events are more than just festivities. They are a window into the soul of Uganda, reflecting the values, history, and spirit of its people. And let's not forget the traditional handicrafts, a testament to Uganda's artistic heritage. From intricately woven baskets to meticulously carved sculptures, every piece tells a story of generations of artisans honing their craft. The cultural richness of Uganda is truly unmatched. It's a place where tradition and modernity coexist, where every dance step, drumbeat, and woven basket tells the story of a vibrant and resilient culture. Are you ready to uncover the wonders of Uganda with us? Imagine immersing yourself in the rich culture, mesmerizing landscapes, and the warm embrace of Ugandans. This is a place where you can create your own unique stories, where every visit is a tale waiting to unfold. Rest assured, Uganda not only promises enchanting experiences, but it also ensures your safety as you explore its corners. Don't miss out on the adventure of a lifetime. Subscribe, like, and share our channel for more exciting content about the world's most intriguing destinations.